cells or hepatocytes is comprised of 80% of cells, and rest of the cells, that means 20% cells, are the endothelial cells lining the sinusoid, epithelial cells, macrophages, and epithelial lymphocytes. Now, what is sinusoid? Sinusoid is a vein-like channel. Sinusoid is a venous channel which plates or cords of hepatocytes are separated by a vascular space. It is called sinusoid. The hepatic cell or hepatocytes, the plates of hepatocyte or cord of hepatocyte is separated by a vascular space. It is called sinusoid, connecting to portal vein of the triad to the central vein of the lobule. Connecting to the portal vein to the central vein of the lobule. And previously mentioned, the blood flow in the sinusoid is from periphery of the lobule towards the central vein. The phagocytic cells of the liver is called Kupffer cells. Phagocytic cells of the liver is called Kupffer cells. Now we know as many substances produced in liver, and most important exuberant fluid is called bile. Bile is produced by the hepatocyte, first enter to the bile canaliculi. What is canaliculi? That means the microform of bile duct or bile ductule. These bile canaliculi drain into bile ductules. Bile is formed by hepatocyte or liver cells. Now, this bile is flow through some small channel which is called bile canaliculi. Canaliculi means very small or microstructure of canal-like structure. From there, they drain into bile ductules of the portal triad. First of all, we have already mentioned in hepatic lobule, which was hexagonal structure, and each corner there was three structure. Hepatic arteriole, portal venule, and bile ductule. These bile ductule receives bile from hepatocytes through bile canaliculi. Now, How bile pass from liver to exterior? There is extrahepatic biliary apparatus. Extrahepatic biliary apparatus. This is from right lobe. There is a duct. It is called right hepatic duct. From left lobe, left hepatic duct. That means, as we mentioned before, bile ductule of the portal triad. That means hexagonal hepatic lobules, 6 corner they stay, and numerous hepatic ductule connected to form for each loop. That means right and left loop. It is called right hepatic duct and left hepatic duct. Both right and left hepatic duct connected and form common hepatic duct. From liver, final pathway is common hepatic duct, and now connected with gallbladder there is also a duct. It is called cystic duct. Now common hepatic duct and cystic duct united to form common hepatic duct, or cystic duct and common hepatic duct united to form bile duct. This bile duct now united with pancreatic duct and open into second part of duodenum.